Hey everyone, this is Veronica Wasek with 5-Minute Bookkeeping, and today I am talking about recording Amazon sales in QuickBooks Online. If you're an online seller or if you're an accountant working with online sellers, doing the bookkeeping can be challenging. In fact, recording sales from Amazon is especially challenging because Amazon does things a little bit different. So I'll talk you through that and then give you some options for recording Amazon sales in QuickBooks Online. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're an Amazon seller, you can download your settlement report. So by looking at the settlement report, you'll be able to see the breakdown of the income that you are receiving into your bank account. Amazon settles sales every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, you will see a deposit in your bank account from Amazon. So here are some instructions for downloading your settlement report. Basically sign into your Amazon Pay account on Seller Central, go to the Reports menu, click Payments, and then go to the Statement View tab. And then you'll be able to download the settlement reports that you need based on whatever date range that you enter. Amazon is really good about giving you documentation explaining what that settlement report includes. And as we can see here in the settlement and transaction reports, they actually walk you through what is included in the file that you will download. And we want to pay special attention to the details of that settlement report, and in particular, the transaction types. Although Amazon deposits one amount into your QuickBooks, you will have lots of different transactions that make up that amount. And rather than looking at this as a little convoluted, let's look at an infographic. When we look at Amazon sales, we're looking at multiple amounts making up those sales. Maybe income, refunds, debt, guarantee claims, disputes, adjustments, reserves, carryovers, sales tax. There's a lot going on and a lot of multiple amounts. However, when you look at the deposits that were made into your bank account and ultimately what you see in QuickBooks being downloaded into the banking transactions, it's just Amazon payments. You see them every 2 weeks, but it's just one net amount. So the challenge for Amazon sellers is, well, do I record the one amount or do I need to record all of the details in QuickBooks? Many small sellers will probably opt for just recording one net amount. But ultimately, as you grow your Amazon business and as you then want to get more meaningful information from your financials, you'll want to break all of these things out in order to really get a true picture of your profitability. Let's look at a simple example of what makes up the amount that you receive from Amazon. So let's say, for example, that from your settlement statement that you have $10,000 in sales, $75 in refunds being deducted, $250 in chargebacks being deducted, and then $100 in reserves also being deducted. So really that gives you a net amount of $9,575, and that is the amount that is transferred to your bank account. Then when you look at your QuickBooks in the bank feeds, what you'll see is just this net amount, $9,575. So as I said, if you're a smaller seller, maybe that's all you'll record is that net amount. But as you grow and as you want to then use your financials to make critical decisions for your business and to really know what really is the breakdown of these sales, you'll need to start recording these amounts separately in your QuickBooks. Okay, so then what do we do to get those amounts into QuickBooks and to break them out into QuickBooks? Well, one way is to record a sales receipt or a journal entry in QuickBooks. And this is a method that, while it's available that in which you can do that, you actually have to break out each amount, and you have to enter these amounts manually into QuickBooks, or you might import them. But I think they're very time consuming and probably not the best use of your time. Or you set up an integration between Amazon and QuickBooks Online. This is my preferred method. All you have to do is set up that integration one time. It's a more streamlined way of getting your transactions into QuickBooks, and it also saves you a lot of time. In my next video, I will talk about options for integrating Amazon with QuickBooks Online and show you some great time-saving apps that you can use. I'm Veronica Wasek with 5-Minute Bookkeeping. Make sure to check the description box below to look for my free goodies and also join my Facebook group. If this content is helping you, make sure that you comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel so you can get all of my latest videos. I'll see you next time.